So we've looked at using Windows Media Player to rip the CD. Now, it doesn't matter if your CD has been ripped correctly and all of the songs and the artist and the album, etc. Information is correct. It's still worthwhile using this piece of software, which is called MP3tag. It's free. Just search online and download and install it. And what you then do is just use this to verify that everything is okay with the rip. Now, as you can see, there's nothing in here by way of artist. So we're going to correct that. But first, we need to point the software in the direction of it. So what we do is use the link, which gets us into our music folder, go to the unknown artist and select the unknown folder. As you can see by the name of that one, I've already amended the second CD with all of the corrections that's necessary. So we select that folder and then it presents us with this window. So now left click that is, and drag, and if I go into convert, tag, select from the drop down menu here what I want to do, which is the artist one, and I want to put in this case, Paul Carrack. So if I click on that, it tells me that 12 of 12 has been put in. If I then go along, I want to do the same again for the album artist. Tag, select here, album artist, click on OK, and I will do that again because there's more than one album artist. As you can see, there's a gap between the album and the artist. So if I go this time and select album artist, click on OK, then it comes here. It's just one of those quirks of the information. Now, the album is incorrect, so I shall go in to convert, tag again, and I will select the album, and this time I'll put the correct name in, the long detour, and then click on OK, and it's done that. I will go in and do the genre, convert, tag, genre, and here you can put it down as whatever you like. I'll just put it down as pop, and then OK. The rest of the information up there I don't need to do anything with. It's just giving the technical information about the rip. That's fine. So coming back here, the track numbers are right, in the right order. The artist is that. I've clicked on the wrong one there. I've just spotted I've done an error. So let's go back and correct that. Convert, tag, and it's the album I want to do it, and it's the long detour. Click on OK, and that selects the album. So I need to go back now and correct the album artist, which I did in error. So it's album artist with no gap, Paul Carrack. So that's corrected my error. Now, the next bit is just a question of going through each individual track and renaming it Too Good to Be True. And what I do here is I select what I've just done, copy, and go to track 1, and then select it over the track 1 with the cursor in the blue, right click and paste, and then it gives 01 Too Good to Be True. So I do that again on the second one, which is Satisfy My Soul. And again, I'll click and drag, right click, copy, click on the track 2, and then just highlight very carefully to the text, track and the number, and then paste. Always making sure that we've got the dot between the name and the tag. So once more, Late at Night. So it's cursor to the far side, to the right hand side, left click, hold and drag all the way, keeping the cursor on the blue area, copy, click it on the track, put the cursor to the left of the dot, hold and drag. After left clicking, keeping the cursor on the blue, right click and paste. So the final actions to do is to select all of the songs and to assign the cover art to those songs. So you just download an image that's less than 500 by 500 pixels that you actually want to use. Album art is readily available online, so you just download a copy of it, put it in the same directory as the songs, and link to it. So we select all of the songs, go into here, right click, add cover. It will open it up, select the cover concerned, which is that particular one, and it will place it here. And then the final action is to click on File, Save Tag, and it will then save the album art to each of the songs, so that when you play one of the songs, you will have the album art displayed on the suitable player. What you can do is just amend some of these if you actually want to. I don't necessarily think that it's applicable to do that. Just leave that well alone. So if I then fire up Windows, and if I go into my music, go down to the unknown artist, this one here, I can see I've got all of the songs now displayed correctly. This is all correct. Album art is okay. Contributing artist, as you can see, it doesn't display everything the same. It's just down to how Windows. If you want to see more, you can just go onto the menu line where you have contributing artists and the name, right click and select which other items you want displaying in the column. This is a Windows standard feature. And so that is it for ripping a CD and for verifying the data. Hope you found it useful. Do take care. Bye for now.